How to hide albums on your Samsung Gallery app for Samsung phones with Android 15 One UI 7.0. You'll first want to go into the Samsung Gallery app where all your photos and videos are being saved right here. And once you go into it, if you have the view all option shown right here at the moment, you go ahead and tap on that here. Now, once you're here, you can see all the albums that you have currently saved. So you can choose to hide either of these albums that you have saved already, or let's just say there are some photos and videos that you want to hide. And the only way you can do this is if you put them all into an album. So what I'm going to do now is just to show you how it works. I'll just long press one of the photos here, select them. And once you have them selected here, you look to the bottom here and you will see there are different options, and you want to go to where it says more. Tap on more. Then you'll notice you either have the option to copy or move to album. So if you want to keep the photos there, it's up to you, but if you're actually planning to hide them away from the public view, I would recommend to move them, okay? So go ahead with move, and when you do this, you'll notice you have the option to now create and cancel. So go to create, and you just name it what you want to name it. I'll just call it hide so that we know that we're just hiding this at the moment for demonstration purposes, and I'll create that there. And it's moving them here, and it says move completed. Now you want to come out of here and you want to go to the all albums section once again. Once you have your album with all the videos and photos you want to hide away, you'll tap on the three dots here and you'll see hide albums. Once in this view mode here now, you'll notice there is a toggle for every album. You cannot hide the one for the camera as default. This is set to public. So whatever you have in your camera that you want to hide, remove it from there and place it into an album. So now I'll go ahead and hide this one here, which is the one that we said we're going to hide. And it's going to show me like this. It's selected. I'll back out of here and you'll notice now that it's no longer there. And of course, if you're ready to unhide it or simply just to view it, you'll go back here and untoggle it, and then it'll be available here for viewing. And that's that for this guide. Like and sub.